The collaboration between Runway AI and Canva might be the most significant update in the history of Canva. With this union, you can access AI tools in Canva and do many experiments with it. You can replace or remove any unwanted objects in your images, expand your image for a better background, create videos from text, edit your photos and videos in seconds, and shield your content for privacy and safety. So let's jump in and explore how Canva is changing the game in image editing with AI magic. Starting with Magic Grab, which is going to change the way you edit photos. So let's set the scene. You're back from a beach vacation and you've got this amazing photo, but there's a little problem. A random beach ball is photobombing your perfect shot. Everyone must have experienced this, right? Now imagine you are making a YouTube banner for your daily pet facts channel and you need to move some element of that banner to a different place or remove them. So here's where Magic Grab comes in and does its magic. What you're going to do is upload your banner on Canva, then click on that pesky part in the banner, select the Magic Grab from the edit photo icon and whoosh. With your cropping skills you can move it right out of the frame and there will be no more unwanted objects ruining your shots. But wait, it gets even better. What if you could replace a pet's picture with something else, say a coconut to add more tropical vibes? With Magic Grab, you can. This tool is like your personal photo playground. It lets you select, separate, and edit any element in your image with ease. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro at photo editing. It's like having a magic wand that lets you redesign and rework your images effortlessly. So whether you're a seasoned photographer or just someone who loves snapping pics, Magic Grab will be your new best friend. If you think Magic Grab is cool, wait until you hear about Magic Expand. This feature is a total game changer for all you photography enthusiasts out there. We've all had those moments where we wish our photos could just stretch a little bit more, right? Well, that's exactly where Magic Expand steps in. This incredible tool uses AI to work its magic on your photos. It extends the borders of your picture, but here's the kicker. It does so by seamlessly bringing in more of the surrounding landscape. It's not just stretching or distorting your image, but intelligently filling the space with what it thinks should be there. But how? You upload your image on Canva, select the editing option in Canva, and click on the Magic Expand feature. It will offer you different ratios of photo sizes to work on, and with one click, your picture gets expanded. So now, that portrait isn't just a close-up. It transforms into a majestic view, capturing the essence of the environment. It's like taking your photo and giving it a whole new life. Magic Expand is perfect for landscape shots, cityscapes, or any image where you need a bit more of the world in a frame. It's super easy to use, and the results, they speak for themselves. Suppose you're in charge of creating a poster for a summer music festival. You've got your ideas, but you're looking for that special something to make your design pop. That's where Magic Morph comes into play. With Magic Morph, you can take any text, yes, any text, and transform it into any element of texture to match the vibe of your event. Let's say your pet's birthday is all about royal vibes. Just type in a prompt like shiny gold foil balloons and watch the magic happen. Your text will morph into elements that perfectly fit your theme. And we're not just talking about changing fonts or colors here. This is about bringing your entire creative vision to life. What makes Magic Morph so cool is how it understands the essence of your prompt and translates it into design elements that resonate with your theme. It's like having a designer right inside your computer, understanding your needs, and turning them into reality. Now, let's shift gears to another groundbreaking tool that's changing the game. Magic Edit. This tool is how to take your photo editing skills to a whole new level, and we can't wait to show you how. Imagine you've got this great image of a cityscape during the day. It's a nice photo, but what if you need it for a nightlife themed event? You're probably thinking about all the complex editing that needs to be done, right? Well, Magic Edit is here to make your life a whole lot easier. With Magic Edit, you can transform that daytime scene into a stunning night view with just a few clicks. Want to change the color of the sky to a deep midnight blue? Easy. How about adding some twinkling stars or a moon? Just a few more clicks. But here's where it gets really cool. You can even swap out the background to show the city's vibrant nightlife with all its lights and energy. What's amazing about Magic Edit is that it empowers you to make these complex edits or create entirely new scenes in just seconds. It's not just about tweaking a few colors or adding a filter. It's about completely transforming your images to match your vision. So whether you're a professional designer working on a project or just someone who loves to play around with photos, Magic Edit is going to be your new go-to tool. Magic Media. Today, we're exploring incredible Canva AI tools that are changing the game in visual creation, one of which is Magic Media. This isn't just about editing, it's about bringing your imagination to life. Picture this, you're working on a project about futuristic cities, but you just can't find the right visuals. That's where Magic Media comes to action. With this tool, you can generate not just professional 3D images, but also short videos of a futuristic cityscape, all from a simple text prompt. Magic Media is like having your team of artists and animators ready and waiting to turn your most imaginative concepts into reality. Whether you need a dazzling city of the future or any other scene you can dream up, Magic Media makes it possible with ease and speed. Just now, you learnt about the magic of the Canva AI tool with images and videos. But how will you make your content private and watermarked? Using Canva Shield. Canva AI offers a feature that's all about keeping your creative content safe and secure. Canva Shield offers robust safety, privacy, and security controls. This means that you get to enjoy a suite of features designed to keep your work secure. But what does this look like in practice? Let's say you're working on a highly confidential project for a client. The last thing you want is for sensitive information to get into the wrong hands. With Canva Shield, you can work with peace of mind, knowing that your designs are backed by industry-leading security measures. It's about creating with confidence and ensuring that yours and your client's data are safeguarded. Canva Shield features include advanced privacy settings, which allow you to control who sees and edits your designs. There's also the option to add watermarks, helping to prevent unauthorized use or distribution of your work. Plus, with secure cloud storage, you can be sure that your designs are safely stored and accessible only to those you permit. In short, Canva Shield is like having a security team for your designs, ensuring that your creative work remains just yours. As we end today's journey through Canva's latest AI tools, let's take a moment to appreciate that from tweaking a simple photo with Magic Edit to designing an entire marketing campaign with tools like Magic Grab and Magic Morph, Canva is redefining what it means to be creative and is transforming the way we approach design and creativity. So embrace the limitless possibilities and give us a thumbs up for this incredible update. And as we always say, your support matters a lot to us as a new and growing channel.